Hello everyone. I am going to speak about perfect competition and profit maximization. A market. A market is simply a place or a system where the buyers and the sellers meet to exchange goods or services. For a market to exist, there must be a product to buy or sell, both the parties, that is the buyer and the seller, a price for that product or service, and people who are willing to buy and able to make the exchange. Now we are going to the types of market. The different types of market are: first one, perfect competition. It means that there are many sellers and the same kind of product. Monopoly. It means that there is only one seller. Monopolistic market. It means that there are many sellers but slightly different products. Oligopoly. It means that there are a few big sellers. Duopoly. It means there are only two main sellers like Jio and Airtel. That monopsony, it means that there is one buyer but many sellers. And finally, oligopsony means a few big buyers. Now we are going to the perfect competition. In perfect competition, there are many buyers and sellers, and each firm is a price taker. It means that a firm cannot set its own price, it accepts the whole market price. Each firm sells only a tiny part of the total products in the market. The product in this type of market is identical or standardized. It means there is similar product. Then everyone, that is the customers, knows the prices and details of the products. Then the firms of this market can freely enter or leave the market anytime. For taking an example, in a vegetable market, all the sellers sell the similar potatoes or tomatoes or onions at almost the same price. Now we are going to profit maximization. Profit maximization means that every firm's main goal is to make as much profit as possible. Profit is calculated as total revenue minus total cost. So, a firm earns maximum profit when the difference between the total what it earns and the total cost is the highest. This happens when marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. Now we are going to speak about profit maximization in the short run. In short run, a firm make economic profit more than its total cost. This happens when the average revenue curve is above the average cost curve. At this point, the marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, and the firm produces the best output level to make the maximum profit. Now we are going to profit maximization in long run. In long run, the firms can enter or exit the market easily. So, if existing firms earn profit and new ones enter, this increases the total supply in the market. So, as the supply goes up, the price goes down and the profit reduces. Now, for conclusion, perfect competition means that there are many sellers and identical products, and there are price takers. Firms maximize their profit when marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. In the short run, firms earn profit, and in the long run, only normal profits remain. Thank you.